I'm Richard Jones. I'm Business Development and Tourism Officer for Flintshire County Council, and I've been involved with the Promotion and Engagement for Markets project, which was part of the Town Centre Improvement Programme. The aims of the project were to increase footfall and improve perceptions of the markets in Mold and Holywell. One of the biggest factors of the shared prosperity funding was that it allowed us to employ a markets and engagement officer that could work with the markets in Holywell and Mold. A big part of that role was collaborative working, delivering events in the towns, working with others such as Daniel Owen Centre, Menter Iaith, town councils, and this was a big success. The markets engagement and promotion officer applied the varying promotional methods. With such a ranging demographics to reach with advertising, the officer made excellent use of what's been available both online and offline. Interacting with people, leaving comments on the market's social media platforms has led to new traders joining, new coach trips coming into Mold and passing on good reviews, and this again has been a huge positive part of the project. Having DFM attend the markets last Easter not only meant entertainment on the day and a good plug for the traders, but it was a good advert for the market, which ran for a whole month on the station's platform leading up to the roadshow, and this was excellent exposure for the markets. The children's activities at the market has been a real success, and we're conscious that we need to keep drawing the families in, and the children's events have proved to help with this. The success of the character visits, Easter trails and the summer activities provided by Outside Lives, after an entertaining 50+ families a day, means we need to look at continuing, if possible, to encourage the younger generations into the markets. Working with the Traders Federation, we brought the young traders to Mold in 2024, and it's coming back this year in 2025 to host the finals in Mold, helping young people get a taste of trading directly to the public and providing them with a platform to promote themselves has possibly been one of the most positive outcomes of this project, to hopefully help bring in the new generation of traders and keep the markets thriving. Helping to establish a new Sunday gathering market, again, was another positive outcome, not just for the traders, but also for the town itself. Bringing more footfall into the town centre on a Sunday has been a benefit for all. Continuing to build upon the good working relationships, the Markets Promotion Engagement Officer has done well to establish relationships with multiple bodies, and this is going to be key to delivering events going forward. In all, the project has been a huge success, and the Markets Promotion Engagement Officer has been pivotal to this.